pause the video and then like go put on your mask, come back. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is the last official day of box week of June 2019, and today is, I feel like if you're in the Just Like Drew YouTube family, it's your favorite day of box week because it is our face mask and chill unboxing. So this is the video where I ask you to pick out a face mask, any kind of face mask you have, if you have one, put it on. So pause the video and then like go put on your mask, come back, and then you can like chill with me. And basically it's our monthly little like, hey, we're gonna love ourselves, we're gonna love our skin, we're gonna take care of ourselves video. So really quickly, I'm going to be putting this mask in the stockpile giveaway. So this is the Yada Brightening Jelly Pack Mask. We got this in a FACETORY box. It might have been like last month. I'm putting this into our stockpile giveaway. And I'm going to wait one more month to do the stockpile giveaway. So I feel like it's really awesome already. But I want to wait till it's like really full. Like it's already got like a full-size Tarte eyeshadow palette, all that. But I feel like next month it'll be fuller. And then it's going to be probably one of the best stockpiles we've ever done. So I'm going to wait on that. Let me set this over here awkwardly to the side. And for myself, I'm going to be putting on the Yada Soothing Jelly Mask. Jelly pack. So I waxed my face this morning and like my skin is like mad at me because I haven't done it in a while, so my skin was like sensitive, so I definitely need like a soothing mask. So that's something I do. Like if you ever get people always ask me like, you know, let's say I get like sunburn or a lot of sun exposure, you want to do like an aloe or a soothing mask, or like if you do wax your eyebrows or your upper lip like I do, a soothing mask right after that is always really good to kind of like reset your skin so you don't have a lot of redness throughout the entire day, as well as sometimes it might help get rid of any like a little bit of wax residue that might be left over. So I'm doing a soothing mask today. I like buying those whenever I see them, especially like aloe, because you know right now we actually get the sun in Wisconsin, so when you've had a lot of sun exposure, aloe is so good to like help your skin like kind of reset after being outside. So putting this on, whoo, it feels good. Like I said, I waxed and like, you know, sometimes you wax your face and then it's like your skin just gets more irritated than normal. That was today. So like my lip honestly is just like upset with me right now. So this is a good mask for me to do. All right, so today we're going to be opening up our FACETORY box. FACETORY is a monthly mask subscription service. You can either get a 4-pack or a 7-pack. I get the 7-pack because I'm a maskaholic. And in that one you get more like, so you get more like luxury masks. In the 4-pack, you get ones that are a little bit more basic, as they call it. The difference in prices with shipping and handling, the one is about $10. This one comes out to be about $20. So let's get right into it. So on the front it says busy being free. And every month now this year so far they've been coming out, I think since like February, they've been coming out with these little like postcards that you could like send to somebody, and it says just keep glowing, and inside they have this really pretty like mint green paper. One of my favorite things about this subscription is I feel like it is packaged incredibly well. I've said this multiple times, I feel like they just package it and they always theme it together really well. I think there's only been like once or twice where I kind of was like didn't really feel the theme of it, but they always like kind of give you a really well-rounded package. So on the top here they have a little card, and this card always tells you about all of the actual masks that are going to come inside of your box, which is really useful because it's most of them are all Korean beauty masks, which means they're in a different language. So this explains to you the ingredients, how to use them, if it's a multi-step mask, things like that. On the top they had some stickers in there. Those are really cute. I'll probably give these to the girls, or maybe I will keep them and use them myself. Alright, so on the top, this is a FACETORY brand mask. This is really cute. It says SOS Save Our Skin Super Skin Power Restoring Mask with Royal Jelly. And it's got this really cute little superhero girl on it. So FACETORY, that's another thing they started doing. They started making their actual own face mask, which I feel like has been really cool for them. I feel like their face mask, their own personal brand, has been getting better over time, which is really nice to see. So they said save high distressed skin. FACETORY's SOS Restoring Mask with Royal Jelly is here to save the world of skincare, one complexion at a time. Leave your skin feeling smooth, clear, and dewy. When to use: when the sun's out, mask out. After this, or apply this sheet mask after a long day in the sun. Like I was just saying, like when you're in the sun, you want a mask like this, so they actually gave that out. That's kind of funny. Ooh, the next one looks really cool. CLIV Premium Ginseng Berry Mask. Ooh, this looks really, I love this mask. Like, I don't know, I'm a big packaging person. And I can get in trouble by checking out packaging sometimes. I'm like, oh, it looks amazing, but then it's like not that great. It was just the packaging. But this looks awesome. That's another thing with FACETORY. You can always trust like what they're giving you. Like they always give you quality masks. You don't have to be like, ooh, I like the packaging, but is it actually a great mask? Like it's from them. They usually give you a phenomenal mask every single time. This is a ginseng berry premium mask. Brighten, calm, and moisturize your skin. This premium mask will deliver all the necessary nutrients to your skin needs during summer. So you use it when your skin feels blah and needs a little boost of love, which is great because there's so many times where your skin's just like, in this weather, like the thing that happens is you ever notice like how your skin like will just look like really dehydrated? Well, obviously like if you're in the sun a lot, you're gonna get more dehydrated. This is a mask that's gonna help with that. Next one, ooh, Better Skin. I love this brand. Premium Volcanic Ash and 3D Sheet Mask. Look at this. We haven't gotten a mask from them in a while, so I'm excited they have one in here. Exfoliate dead skin cells away and tighten up those pores with this clay sheet mask. Leave your skin feeling smoother and looking clearer and brighter. So directions. You clean your face, remove the clear protective film, apply this. So you wear this one for 40 to 50 minutes and then gently remove the dried sheet from the bottom to the top and wash your face. Okay, so this is one of those you actually wear it and then you have to wash your face after. There's another brand, I think it's called I'm Sorry for My Skin. I've done one of theirs like that before too, where it's like the actual like clay sheet mask. Those ones are so good for tightening up your skin. So if you have something like an important event or something, you're like, I really need my face to look like it's got its life together, those masks are always really awesome. I think that's amazing they put that in there. But that is one where you have to wear it for like 40 to 50 minutes, so you gotta put some commitment into that mask. Next one we have is Cosma Tea T1 Hydrating Tea and Pooey Masks. This is really funny. So I recently went to TJ Maxx and they had a whole bunch of Cosma Tea mask boxes for like, they were like 10 masks for like $6 or $7, and I bought like 4 or 5 different ones. So I have like a billion Cosma Tea masks right now. So I love that they gave us one from them because I've been on a Cosma Tea kick. Alright, so for this mask it says, don't leave your skin feeling dehydrated. This mask will provide rich and intense moisture while adding a radiance to your overall complexion. Alright, the next one we have is the Beautiful Factor Water Shield Barrier Mask. That's really cute. I like the way these look. I'm really liking the packaging of all the masks this month. Like, I think they just look really great. Give your skin the love it deserves with Beautiful Factor Water Shield Barrier Mask. Keep your skin moisturized and hydrated in the morning before you take on the world, or at night when you want to focus on yourself. Both work. So this is great for morning or evening. We got a Meg 2-Step Jelly Calming and Pore Mask. So we've gotten the Meg 2-Step mask before, and usually that one was more like the exfoliating mask. This one is more of a calming mask. So this 2-step mask will provide your skin with moisturizing, firming, and soothing results. Treat your skin a little extra today. So it says, after a day out and about, use this 2-step mask to effectively expel all bad vibes you come in contact with and bring in all the goodness. So I think that they have like, yeah, they have like the peeling swab in here. So there's always like a little swab in here. You rub that all over your skin to like peel off all of the dead skin cells, and then you wear this mask after. All right, and then next we have Heart PP Young eye patches. Oh, so this is like actual eye patches, like an eye mask, and not like an actual face mask. A heart-shaped hydrogel eye patch to revitalize tired-looking eyes. Dance the night away, use patch in the morning whenever you think your eyes need a little oomph. So this is an eye mask. So personally, I don't know how I feel about them putting in something like an eye or a lip mask instead of doing an actual like face mask. For me, I almost feel like you should still get your 7 face mask, and if they want to throw in something as a bonus, to do it that way. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I think it's probably a great mask. I'm not trying to say like they didn't give a quality item or that this box isn't quality. I feel like they did a phenomenal job packaging. Personally though, I feel like eye masks and all that are like always so different than an actual face mask that giving something out like that should be kind of like a bonus rather than it being like an actual like item in the box. So to quickly recap, we got the Heart PP Young eye patches from Medius, which I actually think I've seen these before. We got the Meg 2-Step Jelly Calming and Pore Mask. Can you guys see that? It's like, it doesn't wanna, there we go. And we also got the Beautiful Factor Water Shield Barrier Mask. And we got the Cosma Tea Hydrating Tea and Pooey Mask. And we got the Better Skin Premium Volcanic Ash and 3D Mask. This is the one you put on for like 40 to 50 minutes and let it dry, and then you rinse it off after you peel it off. The CLIV Premium Ginseng Berry Mask. And then we also got the FACETORY SOS Restoring Mask. Overall, I like the box. I think it is really great. Like I said, for me, I'm not sure how I feel about putting in a different type of mask product in lieu of getting just a like normal sheet mask. I feel like it should be something that's more like just a bonus. That's my personal opinion, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. So, give me just a minute. I will come back and then I will peel this off and we will say goodbye. Guys, I went and just like did my hair, made my hair look wilder, I guess is really all I did. And while I was waiting, so I was like, I'll just go blow dry my hair a little bit on a low setting just to make it blow up even more so it looks crazy. So I'm gonna peel this mask off. It's about time now for me to reveal my skin. Okay, yeah, my face looks a lot better. It was all kinds of like redness going on and I was like, oh, I need to get on that video so I can get the soothing mask done. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew. Spelled the same way as down below. If you want to part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Justlikedrew. Have an amazing day. Had an amazing week. Have an amazing life. And I will see you very, very soon for another video. I'm going to be doing one probably talking more about my skincare routine. So if you have questions about that, comment them below and I will see if I can answer them in that video. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Me.
No, you moved here first.
I moved here first.
And then I moved
But
in.
also we should tell them the other big crazy news is that we kind of totally got married.